Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to transfer files from OneDrive account to another. With the help of my method, you will do it easily. The first thing is, in the Google search bar, search for OneDrive. And on the top, you will see the official website. Click on this and sign in your account or create your account. If you don't have once you do, you will see the same interface like me, and you can see my account is already signed in. Now, how can we transfer file from one to another account? For this, take a look on the left side. You will see different options. This option is for creating and uploading anything that you want. So if you want to upload, then click on it and upload your file from your computer to the OneDrive. Another thing is click on the option My File, and then you will see all the files which you have in OneDrive. Now, how can we transfer it? Select that file or folder which you want to transfer, just like I'll select this. Now take a look on the top, you will see the icon of Share. Click on it. And in this pop-up, you can see the icon of Share. You have to add a name or a group, or even with the help of email, you can share or transfer this file. So add a name, group name or email address of that person to which you want to transfer. But before doing it, click on this pencil and make sure the selected option is this, because with the help of this, he can do whatever he wants with this file. Once you will select, enter the address, just like I am entering. So I write a random email address. If you want to write a message, then add a message and hit send. With the help of this file will be sent in email. But if you want to copy this link, then you have to hit this icon, copy link. But before clicking on it, you have to select this option. Anyone with this link, then he will get full access. So it's up to you which you want to choose, and then transfer this file to next person, and that's it.